plus size Mayde, and today it's a wig video. That's why I'm looking the way I'm looking, how I'm looking. But today's video is about Outre Everywear Every5. She is a long synthetic lace wig. So let's take her out. I got this wig my local beauty supply store for $26.99. Online, of course, it's gonna be cheaper, but in store it's gonna be a couple dollars more than what it is online. So I'll take her out the package. This is what she looks like on the stock card. It's like a long, straight, wig. It comes with different colors. It's a lace front everywhere wig. It's everywhere wigs and style that go with everything from day to night, uptown, downtown, just across the town. Stay polished with inner ear lace for a natural look that will keep you looking impeccable everywhere. They have all the different colors. The color I got today is chocolate. Like I said, it is a lace wig. Here is the parting. It has a little nice size parting. So if it is beginner friendly. So if you don't know how to pluck the lace, like me, because I ain't got time to be plucking the lace. But if I buy it, I'm gonna buy it with this already plucked. Okay, so it comes with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back with the adjustable strap. It is a long, straight wig. It is a little heavy, and it actually has a little blonde in the wig. But it's not heavy to where it's just overbearing. It's heavy to where it's thick. So I'm gonna try it on the wig while the lace is on there. Just to give y'all something to see why the lace is on it before I cut the lace. Y'all know I was real extra with it. It is ear to ear lace. It is big head friendly. Let's comb this out. It does come with baby hair, as you can see. Pull that up some. It has like a nice shine to it. It's not like overbearing shiny to where it looks fake like a wig, to where it's like too shiny. But it's giving like that natural look shine. So this is the side. I'm trying to comb it, y'all. Side. I'm trying to just turn myself so I can see the back. This is the back. So where it comes a little bit past my middle of my back. So it's a nice long wig that you can wear every day. I'm gonna cut the lace. So this is how she looks. Wow, I just cut the lace. I didn't do anything else but cut the lace and put it on. This is the parting. It's not bad, but you can pluck it if you want to pluck it. But I'm not going to, because I don't want to mess it up right now. So we are going to do, we're going to use our Black Radiance Focus Finishing Powder in the color that, whatever color that matches your skin, or whatever setting powder you have. Where is my little, whatever setting powder, and we're just going to put it in the part. Like so, like this. Just so it'll look like there is a part there. Now, if somebody said that you don't have a part there, baby, you too close, baby. You too close. Back up. So I'm just gonna put right here just to define that lace part. Now, if you wanted to do like more of a natural coming out your scalp look, Then you can use some mascara, or you can use some tint spray. You can put a comb right there and just spray the tint spray. You can use black or black, because this is a brown wig, so you want to use black. But I'm not going to put the mascara here because I like the way it looks. Coming out, it looks like I just dyed my hair. But yeah, you can use the mascara, you can use tint spray or whatever, and just spray it. This is the look. I like this because it looks like an everyday wig. And then it comes to baby hair. Like, I ain't gonna lay this baby hair down, but you might be that person. You might be that person like, I'm gonna put my baby hair down today. It's not mandatory. You could just tuck it and hide it. And the reason why it looks like it has a hump there because the way that they package the hair. So you just get a curling iron and just flatten it, and it'll look like a regular wig that is not bumped. This, you do not have to do anything to it. It curls a little bit at the ends, a little bump, just to make it look like it's more realistic. But I love the color. The color has like a little brown blonde hue to it. So this is actually kind of cute. And I have another wig. This is an Every5. I have the Every3, and I got it the same color, but it's like an asymmetrical bob. So pretty. So, you know, one day I want to be brown. I could do the long or the short. Okay. What it looks like. Of course, you can put more powder here to make the part look like it's a lot longer. Or you can pluck it. I'm not a plucker, so I'm not going to pluck it. But this is how it looks. Alright, y'all, let's get to the next one. Okay, y'all, so this next wig is by Mayde, or Mayde. It is like it's like a quick weave, but it has a bang, and it is super long. Like, I got it because I was like, let me do something different. I don't really got on my cap. So my hair is short, that's why it's not in braids. I cut my hair back in October of 2021. It didn't give me what it's supposed to give. But yes. So let's open it. Now this is long. The way they have to package it is this is the base, like the top part, and they have to like curve it up to so we know it's long. I got this wig in my local beauty supply store for $30. And I think it's because it was $30 because of the length. And then the color. So I have to take this all out. This is what the stock card looks like. It's like a Summer Walker vibes. You know how she be having her bang. This is a secure silicone strip surrounds the inside perimeter of the cap for the ultimate secure fit. It's a mesh breathable cap. It has two combs on the side. It has an elastic band. I love the two-tone colors. I would be me if I didn't get my 30. So I'm gonna cut this card off. Yeah, when I store my wigs, I keep the stock card just in case it ends up getting frizzy, and I want to like order it or whatever. I know what wig it is to go order it again, or just to know what wig I'm about to put on. I'll leave the stock card in there. I'm just gonna brush this. It's not really that much shedding while I'm brushing it. It does have two combs on the side, like I said, and it has a comb on the back with the adjustable straps. Let's put this girl on, y'all. It is big head friendly. I'm just gonna flip this bad boy, y'all. Hold on. Let me get my glasses on so I can see it. Yeah, if y'all know, y'all on TikTok, y'all know what I'm talking about. Got a little hair somewhere. It's still there. Here we go. So, of course, adjust it to how you want it. And then, with this wig, I probably would actually use the combs just so it won't just slide off. The combs in the front. Okay. It's making me look like a little nun. Okay. This is very much Summer Walker vibes. Very much so, but it's cute. And it's affordable, so you ain't gotta do too much. And it does give you a little highlight. So if you get a 27, of course it's gonna be a lot lighter than what I have. This is a 30, and then I'm guessing it's a 1B. So this is the side. Okay, I'm just gonna turn myself while I'm showing y'all the back. This is like a club wig, like, it is long. Very much so a long wig. Y'all was running outside, so I was like, let me do some videos of my new wig. Cause I ain't going nowhere else. Let anybody drive in the way. So this is, y'all see how I'm trying to like grab it in the wood. Okay. It is big head friendly. I don't know if I said that, I probably did. But it is big hair friendly. You don't need any heating tools. No flat iron, no straighten iron. The bangs are already bumped. If you have a big forehead, of course you'll have the wig closer. But regular size forehead right there. This is the look. Now some of y'all might see like Super Scent when she had like her little blonde streaks in the front. I think that's why I got this wig. I like the way that was looking. But yeah, you can play around with the wig, with the bangs. See, it does have a little shine to it, but it's not like overbearing shine. Like it just look like it's plastic. It's not. It look like you got your hair done at the beauty supply store. You get it, just slap on the wig, call it a day. I'm not getting any like tangles as of right now. Of course, since I just got it out the package, but you know how long hair tangles up really fast. It's not giving me that, And this, when I move, it does a botch up. So let me show y'all. It does a botch up like that. How long hair do when you move too much. It's not giving me that. This is the look. I'm liking this one as well. So, of course, it's cheaper, online. Of course, it's, you get it cheaper online, but you're going to pay for the shipping. You go to the beauty supply store, ask for a certain wig. I'm pretty sure they can get it shipped. And you pay, a couple dollars more. But, it's all up to you. I feel like it's the same price online that it is in the store, because you're going to pay for shipping. You're going to pay their price for getting the ship. So, it's the same thing. But, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys let me know what else you want to see. Beauty thing. I start school in a couple weeks, so we're gonna try to see how these videos go. I'm gonna have to do a calendar of what? Because school starts in a couple of weeks. I will be vlogging for school. I don't vlog on this channel, but we're gonna be doing the vlogging. So thank you guys for watching.